Now, students, next topic, addition. So on addition we are going to do our workable problems. So first question, add four digit numerals, add the following. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 questions were there. More 2 questions were there, that 2 questions you do as your homework. Okay. First question here, 3051 means 3051. Next, 5234. Exactly we have to write in same. So ones place should come in ones place, and tens place should come in tens place, and hundreds place should come in hundreds place, and thousands place should come in thousands place. Now you add 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 plus 2 is 2 only. The same number we will get. 3 plus 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8285. 8285. Now, here, the next question. 1234 gives some gap. It is easy to calculate. Then 4321. Now you add addition. Now 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 it is 5. 4 plus 1 is how much? 4 plus 1 5. Then 3 plus 2 3, 4 5. 2 plus 3 2, 3 4 5. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5555. 5555. This is the answer. Now here, 5521, 3243. Addition. These are ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. This is our ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Add ones place. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. 4 no. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8764. 8764. Next, this one. 4303. 1092. 1092. Here place. These are ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 0 plus 9 is 9 only. Whatever number is added with 0, the same number we will get. Here also 3 plus 0 is 3 only. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 5395. This is our answer. More 2 questions were there. That 2 questions here, home assignment. Now, here solve the following. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. Now we add ones place values. 7. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1 plus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 6989. These are total. So here addition again. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 4 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 3 plus 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9,999. 9,999. More questions were there in this. No, only 2 questions were there. In this, more 2 questions were there. There are 2 questions here. Assignment, home assignment. Okay. In third question, add. Find the sum means we have to add all the 3. All the 3. First, you take 2,314, 1,234. Next, 3,141. In this way, we have to write. So where this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 4 place of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here 9. 1 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8. 3. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. Till here 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6,689 is your answer. Now here. First we take ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. First here 8,231, 8,231. Next 431 starts from 100. 432. Next 23 starts from tens place. 23. Next last is 3. Now we add. So like this. If only ones place is given, you have to take only ones place. If only till tens place is given, you have to start from tens place. Only hundreds place is given, you start from hundreds place. If thousands place is given, you keep in thousands place. So this order is the must. Means you should keep in the order only. Don't write the numbers in zigzag. If you write the numbers in zigzag, then your answer will be wrong. So 3 is there, don't keep this 3 here. 23 is here. 2 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. Don't write 2, 3 here. So don't confuse. So the 2 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. So that numbers you have to write in that particular places only. Okay. Now 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. And this 8 as it is. 8,689. Now here thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Here 3,123. Then this is 4,514 and this is 1,330 and this is 1,021. Now we have to add all this. Then ones place first. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. The answer is 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 8. And 1 plus 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Here 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 7, 8, 9. 9,988. 9,988. 988. This is a sum. Okay. In fourth question, more some questions are given, more 2 questions are given. That 2 questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. So this is the addition of 4-digit numbers. Here also addition. Here also addition. 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 All these are addition sums. All these are addition sums. Okay. Without regrouping, addition is there. So these complete. So whatever the question. So in the order, if in the row is given to add, you keep in this order, and after that you add. And so it is directly in the order in the column only given. So it is very easy. And here find the sum is given like this three numerals. So that numerals first you arrange in this order, then after that you add. Okay. In a row it is given. First you arrange in this, but so some numbers are 4-digit number. This is mixed, means 4-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, and single-digit number is given. First you have to write ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. The number, only single-digit number is given. The number you have to keep in ones place. If 2-digit numbers are given, then you keep ones place and tens place. If 3-digit numbers are given, you keep in ones place, tens place, hundred place. In 4-digit number, keep ones, tens, hundred, and thousand, and we have to add. So this is the way to add. Okay. Thank you. And students, now addition with carrying of 4-digit numbers. Carrying of 4-digit numerals. So before we did without carrying numbers. Now carrying numbers we have to do here. Then how to do? So when the carrying numbers are given. So see here. First you make a column. So whenever carrying numbers are there, it is very easy to understand. Now add this. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. So addition, we start addition from ones place. 5 place to add, 5 place to 5, 6, 7. So here 7. How many ones are there? 7 ones. 7 ones. Next 7 plus 1, 8. 8 tens. Then 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. How much? 10. So write here 10. 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds means, so this 0 ones place, this you have to keep here, and this second place you have to keep in the very next place, that is on thousands place. That is on thousands place. It means 10 hundreds means 10 hundreds. 10 into 100 is equal to 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. 1000 means 1000. 1000 means we have to take that 1000 in ones place, 1000, and number of hundreds is 0 hundreds left. So in that way we have to take carry. We have to take carry. Next 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Complete 10 you have to take here, because that is our last digit. Last digit. Now in the second question, first this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. Now you start adding from ones place. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 16 ones. 16 ones. How the 16 ones? 16 ones is nothing but 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6. It means 10 ones, 1 10 and 6 ones. So this 6 ones, that is 10 means 110. 6 ones we have to keep in ones place. 6 ones we have to keep in ones place. And 110, how many tens are there? 1. That 110 that you keep in tens place. That you keep in tens place. Now 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 tens. Now 15 tens, how much? 150 is equal to 150. 15 tens, 150. The 150 means how many tens and how many hundreds are there? Here 100 plus 5 tens. 5 tens. 5 tens 50. 100 is 100. 100 plus 50. 150. It means we have to keep this 5 tens in tens place and 100, that 100 in hundreds place. In 100 place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 hundreds. 13 hundreds. 13 into 100. That is equal to 13 hundreds. So then how to write this 1300? 1000. 3 hundreds. 1300s. That is 1300. 3 hundreds in 3 hundreds place and 1000 is here. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 6, 7. That should be here. That is 7356 is our answer. Is our answer. In this way we have to regroup. Here 3 numbers are here. That 3 numbers we have to. 7 plus 9. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 3. 17, 18, 19. 19 months. Means this is 110. 110 and 9 months. 9 months. 9 months in 9's place. 110 in 10's place. This is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 tens. 13 tens. This is tens. This is hundreds. How many tens are there? 3 tens. 3, 100. 3 tens in tens place, 100 in hundreds place. Then 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is a single digit number that you keep as it is. Then 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 8 as it is. 8 as it is. Now here. 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 7. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 means this is ones, this is tens. How many ones? 2 ones in ones place, 2 tens in tens place. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. Now add 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 3, 16, 17, 18. 18. In this 18, this represents tens, this represents 100. Then 100, 8 tens. 8 tens in 8 place and 100 in 100 place. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is a single digit number, take as it is. 4 plus 2, 6. 6982. This is your answer. Okay. So like this we have to regroup it and we have to write our answer. Okay. Yes, now friends, so now our third topic, second question, find the sum of the given numbers. This type of sums we did, so without regrouping sums we did. So this is regrouping, with regrouping sums we are going to do. So this adds, it is given in a row. So this row we have to convert into column. We have to write in column. So all these 4 sums are given. So first we have to arrange these numbers into columns. These numbers into columns. How to arrange these numbers into columns? How to arrange these numbers into columns? First here, count number of digits. How many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4 digits are there. It means we have to take 10,000. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Till 1000 spaces. Then 1990. Next 2000. 2000. Next 2014. 2014. Now addition. how to add this. See here, 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus any number is any number, that is 4. Now 9 plus 0 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. This is 10. This is a tens place. If we are adding tens place, so we are getting double digit number. So it shows tens, it shows hundreds. So why? Because we are adding tens place. We are getting tens and hundreds. How many tens we have? 0. 0 tens we have to keep exactly below to tens place. And how many hundreds are there? 100. So that 100 we have to keep in hundreds place. Now 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 0 10, 10 plus 0 10. Here again 10. So when we are adding hundreds place, again we are getting 10. 10 means hundreds place, this is hundreds place, the second one is thousands place. So what is there in hundreds place? Hundreds place is 0, 0 hundreds and 1 thousands. 1 thousands. Now you add 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. It is 6004. 6004. Now, the second. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 addends were there. So these 4 addends again we have to add. So maximum how many digits were there? 4, 3, 3, 2. Maximum 4 digits were there. So we have to take till 1000. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now you add 3726. This is the first addend and second addend. So here only 3 digits are there. Only 3 digits are there. It means we start from hundreds. 634. Then here also we start from 100. 135. And here only 2 digits were there. So we start from tens. 64. So in order we have to write. So ones digits in ones place, tens digit in tens place, hundreds digit in hundreds place, and thousand digit in thousands place. Plus 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 4, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19. First, if we are adding ones place, so we are getting 19. That is, this is ones place and this is tens place. In ones place, we have to write 9. In tens place, we have to write 1. And after that, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 6, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much? 15. So this is tens place. If we are adding tens place, we are getting 15. 15s. So whatever double digit number we are getting here, we have read tens and hundreds. This is tens and this is hundreds. Now how many tens were there? 5 tens. So that is in tens column. How many hundreds were there? 100. That's in hundreds place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15. So when we are adding hundreds place, we are getting 15. So then it means 5 is in hundreds place and this is in thousands place. Like this we have to take. Then how many hundreds we have? 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds like this. And how many thousands were there? That thousand we keep here. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1, 4. So what is the sum? 4,559. 4,559. So this is the sum. Next we have to add this here. How many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are given. So here maximum how many digits were there? In this only 1 digit is there. Here 2 digits were there. Here 3 digits were there. Here 4 digits were there. Maximum 4 digits. It means we have to take till thousands place. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. First you start from maximum places. That is 5437. Next, this is a 3 digit, 378. Next, 63. Next, 7. Okay. Now see here. We have to add. Okay. 7 plus 8. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 3, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 7, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25. What is 25? Here we are adding ones place. So it means this is ones and this is tens. 5 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place. Now you add tens place. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 10, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How much? 18. So this is a tens column. So it means this is a tens and this is hundreds. How many tens are there? 8 tens and 100. Then after that, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a single digit number. No need to regroup it. 8. And this 5 as it is. That is 5885. 5885. This is the addition sum. Next, 8887. Then this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds, and this one is thousands place. Now 654. Then after that 19. 19 is a 2-digit number. It starts from tens. And 7. 7 is a single digit number. 7 is a single digit number. Now we have to add. Then 7 plus 4, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 9, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. 20 plus 7, 27. So we have to regroup this 27. So what we are adding here? Ones place, ones column we are adding. It means it shows ones place, it shows tens place. Then how many ones were there? 7. It is in ones place. How many tens were there? 2 tens. You have to keep 2 here. Then after that, 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16. So it is a double digit number. Again we have to regroup it. How to regroup? So this is tens column we are adding. It means this first one shows tens place and second one shows hundreds place. So in tens place we keep 6 and in hundreds place we have to keep 1. Then 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 as a double digit number. So then what we have to do? We have to regroup it again. So what we are adding? Hundreds place we are adding. It means first place shows hundreds and second place shows thousands. So in hundreds place we keep 5. In thousands place we keep 1. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. 9567. 9567. So this is our answer. Okay. So like this we have to regroup it and we have to add. Okay.